Hi, welcome back to another Science Circus video. Today we're going to be making a barometer. Materials needed are one can or jar that is airtight, 2 straws, 2 pieces of cardstock, a balloon that is not stretched out, 1 rubber band, some tape, and glue, as well as a marker. Let's get started. Our first step is going to be grabbing that balloon, and we're going to go ahead and snip off the stem of that balloon, leaving just the balloon part. Then we're going to take our can or jar, and we're going to go ahead and stretch that balloon over top of it. Make sure that it is flush. I kind of made it a little too loose, so I'm going to have to redo it a little later. And then secure that all with a rubber band over the top of it. Go ahead and grab 1 cardstock and our scissors. We're going to go ahead and snip off the corner of that cardstock. This is going to be the tip of our arrow, you could say. It's going to allow us to better see where exactly our barometer is pointing. Next, take just 1 of our straws, and we're going to make 2 cuts, both in a vertical direction on the straw, 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. This will allow us to slide our arrow into our straw, and then you can secure this with some tape. And finally, you're going to take the other straw and you're going to place this inside of each other. The best way to do this is to try to make a U or a V shape with one of the tip of the straws, and then slowly insert that into the other one. Next, we're going to take this arrow looking thing and we're going to attach this to our can or jar that has the balloon over it. As you can see, I went ahead and fixed my balloon right here. I kind of made sure that it is more flush with the actual can itself. That way it's easier to glue down. And then I re-secured the band over top of it. And you're just going to take a generous dab of glue in the center of that, and then going to go ahead and attach that arrow at the tip of that, making sure that to tape it down, that way it is secure. We want this to dry, that way the straw is perfectly perpendicular to the can itself. For best results, I would leave this overnight to dry before removing the tape. Mine took about 2 days to dry, so you could test this out by just taking off the tape. If it seems to droop down a little bit, you're going to have to put some more tape or leave it a little longer to dry. The final piece of our puzzle is going to be to create a chart that will allow us to read the weather properly. For this, you're going to need your cardstock and a pen. I went ahead and designed it off screen, but it is very simple. You need 6 inches of cardstock. I used a ruler, and every centimeter or so, you're going to make a line. At the top of our cardstock, we are going to have sunny and clear skies. And at the bottom of our cardstock, we are going to have rainy or cloudy days. Let me go ahead and show you how I set up my barometer. First, you want to go ahead and find a wall that is both exterior and interior. We're going to go ahead and set up the barometer on the interior part. Then we're going to go ahead and tape the chart onto the actual wall itself. We want to make sure the tip of our barometer is pointing directly in the middle of our chart, splitting the difference between cloudy and sunny. Finally, you want to make sure that tape is removed and that it is dry, allowing our barometer to move up and down as the pressure changes in the atmosphere. Remember to tag us on our Science Circus Whittier Instagram and make sure you have fun. See you guys next time.